Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I am here to talk about two products, and I have not opened them because I was waiting to film this video, and they are the new releases from Fenty Beauty. This is the Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm All Over Diamond Veil, and then this is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm in the shade Diamond Milk. Because I've seen so many Instagram videos of Priscilla Ono, who is the lead makeup artist for Fenty Beauty, and also Rihanna, just like slathering this all over bodies and faces. Let's go ahead and get into it. Starting off with the Diamond Milk, this is pretty much the exact same formula as the original Gloss Bomb, which I personally love. This is the original Gloss Bomb. It's like this rose gold nude. It has all these moisturizers and butters in it, so it's a non-sticky gloss that gives you a latex-like shine while being incredibly moisturizing. And technically you can use this as a lip treatment, so overnight you can pop this on. This is kind of my go-to lip gloss because it looks amazing on top of any other product with makeup, and also without makeup you can pop this on and it just kind of brightens up your face. My assumption is that this is pretty much all the exact same things except with a different color wave. So it's a clear base with super high shine pearly glitter. This is a fresh tube. Ooh, it's so satisfying. The applicators for the gloss bombs look like this. They are giant doe foot applicators, and I love that because it deposits a lot of product, so you don't constantly need to be going back into the product to get more. So this is what the Diamond Milk looks like. And just to show you guys the comparison, this is what the original Gloss Bomb looks like. So there definitely is a significant difference in color. So this is the original Gloss Bomb, your amazing, perfect go-to nude shade. And this is Diamond Milk. It's definitely lighter. It's got that silver tone running through it. But just remember that Rihanna has made Fenty Beauty completely for all skin tones and skin types. So pretty much, if it's in the Fenty Beauty line, anyone can use it. I'm actually going to take off the lip color I have on right now. So these are my lips with no product on them, and I'm going to go in with the Diamond Milk right on top. It smells the exact same as the original Gloss Bomb. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm going to go in with another coat. I really like the way this looks on the lips. It definitely is cooler tone, but it's not frosty metallic, which is what I was nervous it was going to show up as on my skin tone. Let's try this on top of a lip color now. This is the lip combo that I had on in the intro of this video. It is the Pat McGrath Omi lipstick combined with a little bit of the NARS Raquel Audacious lipstick. And now I'm going to take my Diamond Milk and go right on top of both of these shades. So one thing that will happen with this, because it is a lighter shade, is that it may become discolored if you use the wand on top of lip colors too often. Try putting it onto your hand and then putting it on, unless you're using the same color or you don't care. Because if you look at my wand now, it does have the nude, and then as you keep closing this and then reapplying it, closing and reapplying it, over time the color will distribute through the gloss. This is how Diamond Milk looks on top of the nude. I love the way this looks because it's glossy, but it almost looks like, and of course I have lights on, but it looks like light is just reflecting off of the lip because it is a little bit cooler and a little bit more brightening. The micro glitters that are in there, they're not gritty at all. Like, this literally feels like melted butter on my lips. Now it's time to get into this bad boy, and I've been dying to just slather my body in this. This is what the actual product looks like. Do you see how reflective and shiny and gorgeous that is? So this is supposed to be like a moussey gel putty type of texture where it applies completely smooth. There is no grit from the glitter, and it just applies like gel to powder, and there's no residue. It's gonna stay where you put it. It feels really silky and smooth, and oh my god, stop. This is going to be amazing on all skin tones also because it shows your actual skin through. so it catches light, but it's not going to look super crazy ashy. Now, of course, the deeper skin you have, if you continually layer this over and over and it becomes a lot more silvery, then yes, you will get that ashier tone. But if you use this and just kind of in layers, you're still going to be able to use it no matter what skin tone you have. And of course, the more you blend it out, you still get this amazing wet luminous look. This is the Fenty 120 highlight brush. In the video that Priscilla Ono did with Nikki Tutorials, she literally just swiped this all over and just clean fluid strokes. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take the highlight brush, get in here. Oh, I don't know if I took too much. Well, we're gonna find out. So I'm gonna start with this side first. We're just going to oh, shoot, it's in my hair. Does it look like dandruff? I am going to gently blend this out. That's beautiful. Warning, if you have dark hair, careful near your hairline, because once it gets into the hair in person, it kind of does look a little bit like dandruff, but it's coming off as I just wipe that. And I am gonna just put this on like I normally put highlighter on, which is in an arch around my brow. And then Priscilla, took the brush on Nikki and basically just did that. Like literally went over the brow area and brought it in here. I mean, it definitely is glittery. Okay, so if you don't like glitter, this is not going to be for you, but it doesn't look like chunky glitter. It just looks like a really fine glow, but the closer you get, of course, the more you can see the glitter. You can absolutely layer this over other powder highlighters. If you do have deeper skin and this is just too light for you, but you want that wet effect on the skin, go in with your normal highlighter or even a deeper shade and then pop this on top and you will still get that glittery dimension, but it'll just be a little more skin tone friendly. Way more subtle with one layer than I thought it was going to be. Let me pinch it. Oh, dang. So, if you are planning on taking photos of this and you want it to look really pristine and good, then take the photos before you start using it, because some of my makeup has kind of come off onto this brush, but it's also come off into this. So there's a cute little tan spot in my highlighter now, but that's not going to affect the way it applies to the skin. And actually, I want to build this side up. Super, super pretty. I am going to also pop this onto the center of my lid, because like I said, we're gonna put this everywhere. I'm also gonna pop this onto my inner corner, and actually I'm gonna use a brush for this. So this is just a Real Techniques, I don't know what brush this is, guys, it's completely rubbed off, but it's Real Techniques brush. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. When you're applying this, you want to drag it, because tapping it doesn't really do anything. So to just blend that cheek area out, this is my bronzer brush. It is dirty because it's what I used today, but I'm just gonna kind of, especially on the apples of the cheeks, just blend that out a little bit. It blends out so easily, and it really, like, on the inner corner brightens it, but without looking like a silver eyeshadow. Okay, so same brush. Oh yeah. So let's do here. We'll do here. She did Nikki's like chest, so that's what we're gonna do. So this is what the glow on the body looks like a little closer, but this sheen you're seeing is from this bad boy, which is technically called How Many Carats, for the record. I didn't realize that until I was opening it because I was so excited. When this came out, I did notice that it was conceptually kind of similar to a Stila product that is a Sephora exclusive, and that is the Stila Heaven's Dew All Over Glimmer in the shade Silver Lake. Now I have it, so I thought I would show you guys a side-by-side comparison. The Stila one is 0.14 ounces, whereas this one is actually 0.28 ounces, so it's actually double the amount of product. The Stila one does look pretty similar. This is the Stila one. It is very soft, it's not gritty. And then this one is the Fenty Beauty one right over here. The biggest difference is that the Stila one is a lot more silvery versus the Fenty Beauty one allows your undertone to show through a little bit more, which makes the Fenty one just more wearable for women of color. The Stila one on the skin, if you layer it a little bit too much, it becomes super silver and ashy looking on my skin tone, so I can only imagine that it would do the same, if not worse, on someone who is deeper in skin tone than me. Also, the Fenty one, once it's down on the skin, it just feels like skin, like you can't even feel a texture, versus the Stila one, you can feel that something is on there. And also for the price point, the Fenty one just makes a lot more sense. That brings me to the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this first impressions demo review. Leave a comment down below for me and let me know whether you've tried either one of these products and what you thought about it. And also, if you have any video requests, please leave those in the comments down below as well. But until my next video, thank you guys as always so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you soon. Bye!